Scientists at the University of Tokyo have been studying muscle aging for over a decade. Recently, they've made a discovery that's making the medical world stop and rethink everything. It's not just about not eating enough protein or skipping the right exercises that causes muscle loss after 60. Something even scarier is happening. Folks who work out daily, sip bone broth regularly, and do everything to stay healthy still lose muscle, strength, and mobility over time. This flies in the face of the old idea that enough protein fixes it all. But the biggest shock came from a long-term study. Some everyday, cheap foods trigger muscle growth way better than fancy protein powders. In volunteers aged 60 to 85, adding just a few of these foods cut muscle loss by over 70% compared to those following standard advice. This has nutrition experts questioning their old beliefs. So why are millions of seniors still losing muscle, feeling weak in the legs, struggling with stairs, and needing help to stand? Even the most dedicated ones face this. New studies from the US, Japan, and Europe point to common foods that repair muscle in a fresh way. This could change how we protect our bodies after 60. Today, you'll learn about these foods, which are best and which lose half their power if eaten wrong. Stick around to the end for the top one scientists recommend for over 60s. Let's dive in. Starting with number 7, salmon, the ultimate anti-muscle loss food after 60. It's packed with high-quality protein and omega-3s that fight inflammation and boost muscle repair. A University of Washington study found 2 servings a week upped muscle protein synthesis by 30% in seniors. Eat it steamed or baked, 120 to 150 grams, 2 to 3 times weekly, with veggies like broccoli for max benefits. Number 6, pumpkin seeds, loaded with magnesium and zinc for stronger muscles. They ease cramps and improve balance. NIH research shows seniors with enough magnesium have 24% more strength when standing. Sprinkle raw or lightly roasted on yogurt or salads daily. Number 5, lentils for slow-release protein that feeds muscles up to 6 hours. McGill University tracked 800-plus seniors. Those eating lentils 4 times weekly had 45% better grip strength. Soak and cook with spices like turmeric for better absorption. Number 4, Greek yogurt with whey and casein for all-day muscle support. McMaster University found it helps seniors build 40% more muscle when active. Eat twice daily, plain with berries or seeds, post-workout or before bed. Number 3, sardines, rich in vitamin D, omega-3s, and CoQ10 for energy and recovery. Tufts University says adequate vitamin D boosts synthesis by 65%. Have 2 to 3 cans weekly, bones included, in salads or on toast. Number 2, hemp seeds with protein that's 95% absorbable. They improve blood flow and cut inflammation. Italian studies show arginine in them EPS muscle mass by 12%. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons raw to smoothies or porridge. Number 1, eggs full of leucine to flip the muscle-building switch. University of Illinois research. Whole eggs boost synthesis 45% more than whites. Eat 2 poached or soft-boiled for breakfast with veggies. For a weekly plan, breakfast with eggs or Greek yogurt and seeds. Lunch, rotate salmon or lentils. Dinner, yogurt or sardines. Spread protein evenly, 25 to 35 grams per meal. Harvard stresses this beats one big protein hit. Consistency pays off. In weeks, you'll feel steadier, stronger, less tired. These affordable foods fight muscle loss naturally. Like, comment, subscribe for more over 60 health hacks. Stay strong.